Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bot to your Discord server so you can automate moderation, play music, or add fun games for your community in 2026. Let's get into it. First, find a bot in the app directory. In 2026, the safest and fastest way to add a bot is directly through Discord's built-in app directory, which features verified and secure applications. Open Discord on your desktop. Click on your server name in the top left corner to open the drop-down menu. Select App Directory. Use the search bar to find a specific bot like Mi6, Dino, or browse by categories like moderation or entertainment. Next, authorize the bot. Once you've found the bot you want, you need to grant it permission to enter your server. You must have Manage Server or Administrator permissions to do this. Click the Add to Server button. A window will pop up asking you to select a server. Choose your target server from the drop-down menu and click Continue. You will see a list of permissions the bot is requesting, like send messages or manage roles. In 2026, Discord's security interface is more granular. Carefully review these permissions. Avoid granting administrator access unless the bot absolutely requires it for server-wide security. It's safer to only toggle the specific permissions the bot needs to function. And lastly, click Authorize to finalize the process. And that's pretty much it. To add a bot to your server in 2026, browse the app directory in your server settings, click Add to Server, and carefully authorize the requested permissions. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.